Hi everybody, Hunter with SW Marine here in Palo, Iowa. Today I want to do a video walkthrough tour of the Excel 2072 Stalker side console. This is an awesome boat from Excel and we're excited to have it in our inventory this year. First thing you'll see, the way we stock this boat here at SW is that it's got the Marsh Optifade paint. It's a really good looking paint job for that boat, gives it tons and tons of curb appeal. Underneath the boat you'll see that we've got it on a Diamond City aluminum trailer. That trailer, we've got a few upgrades. We've got the swing tongue, spare tire and load guides. We've also got the LED light upgrade, and then the aluminum alloy rims. Underneath that, what you're not going to see in the video here, but what it is important to talk about is that it does have the disc brake upgrade on that trailer. Being that it's a big boat, you're definitely going to want to have brakes on your trailer. Moving to the back of the boat here, you can see that we've got this trailer equipped with the ratcheting tie-down straps. It's a really nice option to have. It makes getting your boat on and off the trailer super easy and user-friendly. Over here on the back of the boat, you've got remote fuel fill for the built-in fuel tank. On our boat, we do upgrade that to the 20-gallon fuel capacity tank to give you a little bit more fuel storage in this boat. At the engine here, we do have it mounted on a 6-inch manual jack plate, a setback of 6 inches there. And then the engine that we paired with this boat is the Yamaha 115 VMAX SHO. The 115 SHO is a 4-cylinder, 1.8 liter high output engine. It's Yamaha's fastest 115 that they make, and it weighs in at 377 pounds. So that's an excellent power to weight ratio. And what that's going to do for you with this boat is it's going to give you maximum performance and great top end speeds. We'll go ahead and take a minute here. We'll go back into inside the boat and take a look at what we have for options in there. So starting at the back of this boat here, you'll see we've got a nice storage space for all of your trolling motor batteries, your cranking battery and everything back here. Lots of storage space there. We do have our boat in stock here with the rear bench seat upgrade, which also has a large amount of storage underneath it. It just folds up and you got tons of space here there. We do upgrade fishing seats in this boat as well to the centric seat upgrade. Those are really comfortable, tons of lumbar support in the back, and you can sit in those and fish all day long. What we have over here is we have the optional port rod box on this boat. This holds 4 rods. It's got rod tubes in there for 4 rods. Next we'll go ahead and hop up in the boat here and take a look at what the console has to offer. So now that we're at the console, let's talk about some of the features that we have up here. This is a really nice bass style console in this boat. It's equipped with hydraulic steering. You can see here you've got lots of switches on the console. You've got interior lights. Interior LED light upgrade is what we've got on this boat. It's also got an accessory switch that can run headlights that you could add onto this boat. We do have it wired up ready to go, so it's just a matter of installing the LED lights if that's what you'd like to have. Over here you've got navigation and anchor lights, aerated livewell, and a bilge pump, which is also, we upgrade that to the auto bilge here at SW Marine. You can see overall it's a really nice, clean, nice instrument cluster here. You've got mile per hour, RPM, and a fuel gauge on your console. This boat is rated for 6 people. And the other thing I'd like to point out right now is if you just look, every surface on the inside of this boat is covered with an interior spray and liner. It's very similar to like a truck bed liner. It's super durable, really easy to clean, and holds up really well. As we move up through the center of this boat, you can see we have the floor grate drain option in here. Makes for cleanup really easy on this boat. And then coming up in front of the console, this has a 16-gallon aerated live well in here. Great for keeping bait, great for keeping fish alive, and it also doubles as a seat for when you're going across the water if you'd like. Coming up to the front of the boat, we've got a really nice bow step here to get you up onto the front bow deck. You've got storage underneath the bow deck as well. And as you can see, it's a really nice spacious casting deck up here in the bow of the boat. As you move up to the front, you can see that we do have this boat equipped, ready to take a 12 or 24 volt trolling motor. And also you've got 2 bow switches up here, one to control your navigation and anchor lights, and one to control the trim and tilt at the motor as well. So that wraps up our walkthrough tour on the 2072 Excel Stalker side console. All of us at SW Marine would like to thank you for the opportunity to gain your business. If you do have any additional questions, our contact information is in the video description below. And that's it for us today.